So we are approaching the eruption site. Now the lava will pop up the show. Yeah, nice. This is what is happening now on August 5th, 2022 in Meradalir, Iceland. Wow, lava expanded. I haven't been here for 46 hours, and now you will evaluate the change together with me. 46 hours change from my last visit here. What changed and how much lava came. Many more people here today than last time. And we will launch drone very soon. Unbelievable show today. Okay, now we can't walk down where we have been because that territory had been flooded by lava already. Where I have been standing last time, down there, now it's all flooded by lava. See how much lava came in just 46 hours since I came here, and it even went behind the mountain already. You see, I told you that it will spill over very soon, and it did, but there is a small hill then again, so, and it's rising there. It's all uphill there, so the bus stop is still being filled. Let's come closer. And evaluate the changes. Let's zoom in. See? The eruption is concentrated in 4 major points, like last time. And lava spilled along the mountain over there. But then you see they're uphill. There is another path up there. So that mountain is Keilir, the pyramid. Keilir means cone. See, and there is a lava river here, a beautiful lava river going straight towards people. Really nice view today. You still can go down, and we will go down towards the lava, but first I make some footages here from the top. See? Now it's about 5 o'clock in the evening, August 5th. from Iceland.